Hello students, welcome back to subject of Mathematics 3 for all mechanical engineering students. Myself Dr. Ankit Acharya, and in today's session we discuss about our important topic of the numerical integration, second chapter, and the rule is Simpson's 3/8 rule. Okay, as you all know that in previous two lectures we discussed about trapezoidal rule and Simpson's 1/3 rule. Okay, so in today's session we discuss about Simpson's 3/8 rule. Okay. So here is the formula. This is the formula integration from x0 to x0 plus nh. Right hand side form is very important. That is 3h by 8. Okay, 3 into h. H is the interval of x. That you know 3h by 8. y0 plus yn. So first and last entry of the table of y. Plus 2 into y3 plus y6 up to yn minus 3. So here you can see that in subscript multiple of 3, so y3, y6, similarly the next entry is y9 and so on. Okay, plus 3 into all other entries. That means you cannot take y3, y6, y9. So now you have to take y1, y2, then skip y3, so y4, y5, then y7, y8 and so on. Okay, so y1, y2, y4, y5, next if you want to write then y7, y8, okay, and so on up to yn minus 1. So here again make sure that from the table of y, one entry only use one time. Okay, let me give you one example. Suppose you have entry y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5 and y6. Suppose. So using the formula you write 3h by 8, then y0 plus yn is what? Last entry. So y0 plus y6. Okay. Plus 2 into in multiple of 3. So y3, y6. But y6 is already we use one time. Okay. So here you have to use only y3. 2 into only y3. You cannot take y6 because y6 is already we use. Okay. And plus 3 into y1. Remaining entries y1, y2 and y5. y1 plus y2 and y1, y2, y4, okay, and y5. Clear? Okay. You have to use using this formula. Now suppose you have entry up to 7. Suppose y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5 and y7 also. Okay. Y7. So in that case, just a minute. I just erase this. So now you can understand 3h by 8 y0 plus yn. So that means last entry y0 plus y7 plus 2 into all multiple of third entry. So y3 and y6. y3 and y6. Okay. Y3 plus y6, right? y0 we use, y7 we use, okay, plus 2 into y3 and y6, right? And plus 3 into all odd multiples. So y1, y2, y1 plus y2 plus y4 plus y5. Now you cannot use y7 here because y7 we already use here. Okay, so that's why just y1, y2, y4 and y5. Clear? Okay, so this is a formula that you have to use using this method. So important formula, Simpson's 3/8 rule. Now let's take some example. So here you can see that integration from 0 to 3, 1 to 1 plus x. Okay, 1 to 1 plus x dx with n equal to 6. Okay, by using Simpson's 3/8 rule, and hence calculate log 2. This is see important example in previous exam they asked a equal to 0. Okay, a equal to 0 and b equal to 3. Right, a equal to 0 and b equal to 3. So n equal to 6. Okay, n equal to 6, right? that is given. Find h is equal to what? B minus a upon n. So 3 minus 0 by 6. Okay, so that is 0.5. Clear? So the interval is 0.5. So the value of x is 0, 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5 and then 3. Okay, the value of f of x. Put x is equal to 0 here. So first we have to find f of 0. What is your f of x? F of x is 1 upon 1 plus x. Okay, this is your f of x, 1 upon 1 plus x. So 1 upon 1 plus 0. So that is 1. Similarly, you can find f of 0.5. So 1 upon 1 plus 0.5. Okay, so 1 upon 1.5. And that you will get 0.6667. Okay, 0.6667. Here, similarly, you can find f of 1, f of 1.5, f of 2, f of 1 is quite easy, 1 upon 1 plus 1, so 1 by 2. So you will get 0.5. F of 1.5 means 1 upon 1 plus 1.5. So you will get 0.4. Okay, f of 2 means 1 upon 1 plus 2. So you will get 0.333, 3333, 2.5. So 1 upon 1 plus 2.5, you will get 0.2857. 1 upon 1 plus 3. So you will get 0.25, 1 by 4. Okay. So easy to understand. You can find all these values. Now use Simpson's 3 by 8 rule. So what is my rule? 3 into h. 3 into h. What is my h? H is 0.5. So 3 into 0.5 by 8. Okay. Into y0 plus yn. So 1 plus 0.5, 0.25 plus, okay, see, this is the formula, plus 2 into all y3, y4, y6, y9 and so on. Okay, plus 2 into, so y3, see, this is y0, y1, y2, this is y3 and y6 you cannot use. Okay, so just 2 into 0.4 plus, see, 3 into, okay, all other entries. So 3 into remaining entries. So 0.6667, 0.6667 plus 0.5 plus 0.3333 plus 0.2857. Okay, so when you calculate, you will get your final answer. Okay, let's see, 3h by 8, y0 plus y6. Okay, plus 2 into just y3 and all remaining entries, right? And the final answer is 1.3888. Okay, here. So now by direct integration is what? 1 upon 1 plus x. So 1 upon 1 plus x, we know that log 1 plus x, integration from 0 to 3. So log 4. So approximate value of log 4. Log 4 value is almost here, 1.3888. Okay, log 2 square, you can write 2 into log 2. Okay, so now let's take one more example. Integration from 4 to 5.2. Okay, integration from 4 to 5.2 log x. The function is log x using trapezoidal rule and using Simpson's 3 by 8 rule. Okay, we have to apply both the rule and taking h is equal to 0.2. Okay, so we are use one by one. First we use trapezoidal rule and then we use Simpson's 3 by 8 rule. Okay, then we apply Simpson's 3 by 8 rule and let's see what is the difference in between answer. Okay, so a is equal to 4, b is equal to 5.2. Okay, a is 4, b is 5.2, h is equal to 0.2. So n is equal to b minus a. N is equal to b minus a upon h. So 5.2 minus 4 divided by 0.2. Okay, and that is equal to 6. Here, now f of x is equal to log x. The function is log x, right? So 4, the value of x is 4, 4.2, 4.4, 4.6, 4.8. Because the difference between interval, that is 0.2. Okay, so we are starting with 4 and difference is 0.2. So 4.2, 4.4, 4.6, 4.8, 5 and 5.2. Upper limit is 5.2. Okay. Now you can easily find out all these values using your calculator. Okay, log x. So 1.3863. That means the log 4. This is a value of log 4. Okay, this is a value of log 4.2 and log 4.4, log 4.6, log 4.8, log 5, and this is the value of log 5.2. Okay, so y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6. Okay, here you can see that trapezoidal rule is quite easy. So integration from 4 to 5.2 log x dx. What is the trapezoidal rule? H by 2 y0 plus yn. So h is 0.2. Okay, 0.2 by 2 y0 plus yn. The first and last entry 1.3863 plus 1.6487. Okay, first entry and the last entry. Okay, 1.3863 plus 1.6487 plus 2 into all other entries. So 1.4351, 1.4816, 1.5261, 5686, 1.6094, and the final answer is 1.8277 using trapezoidal rule. Okay, easy to calculate. Now we are using Simpson's 3/8 rule. So the table is same for both the rule. Either you use trapezoidal rule or Simpson's 3/8 rule. The table is same. Okay. So what is your Simpson's 3/8 rule? 3h by 8. Okay. What is my h? H is 0.2. Let me try to explain you using writing. 3 into 0.2 by 2. Now y0 plus yn. Yn is the last entry. So 1.3863 plus 1.6487. So this entry and this entry. Okay, first and last entry we use. Plus 2 into. Okay, plus 2 into y3, y6 and so on. So y3 is what? This is your y3. Okay, so plus 2 into y3, y6. But y6 we already used first time. Okay, one time. So now we cannot use. So 2 into just 1.5261 and plus, okay, 3 into all other entries. Okay, 3 into 1.4351, 1.4816, 1.5686 and 1.6092. Okay, you can easily calculate this value 3 into 0.2 divided by 8 and all these values. So the final answer is here. You can see that by Simpson's 3/8 rule, 3h by 8, 3 into 0.2 by 8, first and last entry plus 2 into y3 entry. Okay, plus 3 into all other entries. And the final answer is 1.8278. Here you can see that difference is here 1.8277 and using Simpson's 3/8 rule you will get 1.8278. Okay, so very minor difference in between. So up to this in this chapter we discuss about important method. First one is the trapezoidal rule, next one is the Simpson's 1/3 rule, and then Simpson's 3/8 rule. These three rules for numerical integrations are most important. Okay, so please try to solve more and more examples using this method. Up to this, thank you.